So let's see what we have here. So it's a work light from, what's this? It's called DEWENWILS. It's super bright. It's plug in. It's handheld, hangable, magnetic. It has an on-off switch. Is 120 volts output, 120 volts, 60 hertz. Luminance is 1200 lumens. So let's take a look what the inside is. So here it is. So first of all, it's got the safety instructions. It's just plug and play. That's about it. Cable is sturdy. So this is like 15 feet, I guess. So it's got this on-off switch in the front. It's got the hook, so you can hang it, and it's got this magnet, so it's magnetized, it's magnetable, or it's. So I guess we'll take a look. We'll see. We'll plug this in. See if I can plug. So let's plug it onto that outlet there. Alright, and as soon as I plug it, the light turns on. So that means it's online, I guess. So let us turn this on. I'm gonna face it that way. There you go. So on off. There's only it's just on off switch. I'm gonna turn off the lights. See what how bright this is. I'm gonna turn off the lights, and so here we are. I can see that it's bright. So yeah, I am satisfied of how bright it is. It's 1200 lumens. So just imagine if this was 2000 lumens. So 1000 lumens is not bad. It's bright enough for me. I don't need, brighter than this. Yeah. So it's got the I guess vent. It's not hot. It doesn't feel hot right away because it's an LED. So I guess it's the advantage here of an LED. And the handle, it's not bad. So it's pretty light, not heavy. All right, thanks for watching.